Feedback, the belief in the necessity of feedback, is based upon 3 beliefs, all of which are wrong. First belief is that I am the source of truth about you. The second belief is that learning for you is filling up an empty vessel. And then the third belief, our theory of excellence, seems to be that excellence can be defined in advance, in isolation from the person being excellent. Okay, all those 3 are wrong. Starting with the third one. Excellence can't be defined in isolation from the person being excellent. Take funniness. You can't define funniness in isolation from the person being funny. If you look at defining funniness by studying Steve Martin, let's say, you'd come out with, well, no, it's strumming a banjo and waggling your knees and saying, I'm a wild and crazy guy, that's funny. And then you look at Sarah Silverman and you go, oh, no, it's not. It's being slightly caustic and rude in an affectless sort of weird way. And then you look at Chris Rock, he'll be something else. You look at Jerry Seinfeld. What you realize when you look at funny is that you can't extricate the excellence from the person being excellent. Excellence is interwoven with the person being it. Second, learning, we know, is insight. And insight is, as brain scientists say, it's a feeling of knowingness generated from within. And we can see it in the brain. Learning, neuroscientifically, is like building new buds on an existing branch. You grow more synaptic connections in those areas of your brain, you have the most pre-existing synaptic connection. So learning for you is actually taking existing patterns within you and helping you find some new little flash of insight, some new bud that helps you add form or structure or focus or a slight refinement of an existing pattern that already lives within you. Therefore, what do you need from me? Well, you don't need to have me tell you where you are failing to match up to some pre-existing measure of excellence. You need my reaction. I'm not a source of truth about who you are. I'm not a source of truth about what you should do. I'm a source of truth for my reaction to you. I'm a very good source of truth about my reaction. I can tell you when I fell asleep in your presentation. And then what your job is to then take my reaction and weave it into some insight that can build upon what you already know. Because particularly what you want isn't just my reaction. It's my reaction to what worked. When you do something, when you perform, you want my reaction to that, do that. Did you see what you did there? Not stop that, but that. Did you see that? Because together what we should do is try to uncover what worked. Let's put feedback aside and instead, let's give them what they truly need. Let's give them our instinctive and considered reaction to what works.